Hola amigos, today I'm going to share how I make my quick and easy buñuelos. These are a popular Mexican dessert, particularly during the holiday season, and they are a sweet fritter that's coated in a cinnamon sugar mix. There are two types of buñuelos. The first is the round ones like you see here, and then there's buñuelos de viento, which are made using a rosette-shaped metal mold that's dipped into a thin batter, plunged into hot oil, and cooked until golden, then finished with a coating of cinnamon sugar. Both are a crispy, delicate sweet dessert that you'll love, though easy to make, they can be time consuming. So I'm going to show you my shortcut for making the round buñuelos, and I know you're going to love it. We're going to start off by making the piloncillo syrup to drizzle over the buñuelos. Now you don't have to serve them with this, but I wanted to show you how to make it and give you the option. Place the piloncillo, canela, and water in a small saucepan and simmer over low heat until the piloncillo has dissolved. You'll need to stir it now and then, and you can also add other spices like anise and orange peel for more flavor. While that's going, let's combine the sugar and the cinnamon in a bowl. This will be for coating the buñuelos, and then we can set it aside. So my shortcut is to use store-bought flour tortillas instead of making the flour dough and rolling it out myself, and this saves a lot of time. And you know me, I'm all about the shortcuts. You're gonna heat vegetable oil in a medium pan, and while the oil is heating up, you're going to check on the syrup and give it a good stir. Once the oil is hot, we can fry the tortillas. You can use either uncooked or cooked tortillas. The only difference I can tell is that the uncooked tortillas yield a lighter buñuelo than the cooked ones, but both work perfectly fine and taste delicious. Fry on both sides until golden, and you can use tongs and a slotted spoon to help you with the frying. Drain the excess oil on a paper-lined plate, then quickly coat on both sides with the cinnamon sugar mix. You're going to repeat until all of the tortillas have been fried and coated. If you find that it's bubbling too much, you can poke small holes into the tortilla with a sharp knife, but you do want some of those big holes on the tortillas to give it that signature buñuelo look. My shortcut method is going to save you a lot of time, but it may actually also be more budget friendly than making the dough or the batter, since more ingredients are required for those versions. But I promise you aren't sacrificing any flavor with this shortcut buñuelos. Once all of the buñuelos have been fried, the piloncillo syrup should have thickened up. You can carefully remove the cinnamon stick, and then you can strain it into a small container for serving. Be very careful because the syrup is hot and you will burn yourself. The buñuelos are now ready to eat, and you can enjoy them with just the cinnamon sugar coating, or if you have a strong sweet tooth, you can also drizzle the syrup over them. Or if you'd like, you can just serve the buñuelos without the cinnamon sugar coating and then just drizzle the syrup over them. Any way you choose is absolutely delicious. Buñuelos are a crispy, light, sweet, cinnamony, and perfect budget-friendly dessert for the holiday season. Feliz Navidad, amigos. I hope you have a beautiful celebration, and may you and your family be abundantly blessed. Thank you so very much for your support this year. It means the world to me. With love, your amiga, Nancy.